Hi, many learners ask how to create a project from scratch in primavera physics, include a project setup, activity creation, a relationship, and project loading. While several tutorial videos explain individual features, beginners often find it difficult to understand the complete workflow. To make learning easier, I have created a simple sample project with a predefined work breakdown structure, activities, duration, and relationship. In this video, I demonstrate the step-by-step process of loading the project into Primavera P6 and explain how all the project components work together. This practical example will help beginners understand the overall project creation process and provide a clear foundation of developing their own schedule in Primavera P6. This video is especially useful for beginners who want to learn Primavera P6 through a real project example rather than isolated features. Let's start with one simple project. For that, I have all the information regarding this project. We are just going to build the project with reference to these activities listed here. So let's start with our project. For here, so that we can go to Primavera, we are going to create one new project. Next project ID is a guardhouse construction project. Okay, now next, and the start date of the project is next month, 1st July. I am planning to start and go to finish. And the calendar I am selecting is duration is 7 day. Okay, now open the project. Then we can think about the WBS. There is 1, 2, 7. Okay, now there is 7 WBS, and this 1.2.3, it's a part of this. Okay, now we are going to create the 7 WBS. So that project WBS, and we are going to create 1, 2. We are going to create. Okay, now there is 7 WBS. Okay, for the order, I will make it ordering 1, 2, 5. Okay, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I create my 7 WBS. The first WBS is what? Mobilization. So I copy. Sorry, the preliminary works I copied here, and second is substructure and superstructure. So I simply said that it's a civil work. Now for the civil 1.21, 1.22, and 1.23. So I am again creating the WBS substructure superstructure, and final one is what? Final one is architectural. So I copy this one. Okay, finishes. Now we can go to electrical works. So I copied my electrical works and I paste here. Electrical. So I'm copying my electrical works, my WBS. Next is plumbing. Let's copy my plumbing works. And the next one is, this is already been taken, doors and windows and fixtures. So I copy that WBS. And the next is external works. I copy this one and again that one. Last WBS testing and handover. So this one also added here. So if you go to the project, so the activity window, yes, everything is came. Now we need to add the activities. So if you said civil work is under here, so let me check. So everything is okay. Just go refresh. It's okay. Looks good. Now I want to add my activity. First activity is what? First activity is my mobilization. So I add here mobilization, finish, and site clearance and setting out. Again I added site clearance setting out. So if I am going to add my all activities manually, manually means in step by step, it will take time. And already my activities are ready to export. So I am using Excel for adding my activity via import and import functions. So spreadsheet selected and I am adding my activities. Next activity loading, modify. I need my activity name and duration only I am required. If you want any other details you can select here. So currently I need activity name and duration only to import. So next, and it is copied to desktop. Finish. If you check in the desktop, you can see that our Excel file for exporting is ready. So the activities list is there. Everything is okay. Now I'm just going to hold my activity. And I okay. Now everything is copied. So our all activities are imported. Now we can save, close, and we are going to our primavera window. We are going to import spreadsheet. Now next, we select the file. Next, import to where to our open project. Next, activities. Next, finish. So all activities are uh, imported. So this one is already here. I'm deleting this one, and now we're okay. This one finish. Now excavation to plinth beam. Okay, it will be in the substructure. Now let's see, plinth beam and ground floor slab to roof slab curing. It is copied to substructure. And next is what, internal and external painting work 501 to 504. 501 to 501 I am copied to here. Okay, now 301 to 305. 301 to 305 copied to electrical, and 401 to 404 plumbing work, and door installation to hardware accessories it is goes to fixing. Okay, Now 7012 702, it's a external work. Sorry. And the last snag and handover up to handover, it will be in testing and handover. So we placed all our activities reference to our document. Now our next thing is we need to add our predecessor so that I added one column here. We can also add it by right click the window, column, predecessor. In this way you can add here and apply. Okay. So now let's see the predecessor for the activities. Here the relationship is, first we can assign the relationship finish to start, finish to start. It's all about simple relationship. We can go and assign finish to start. Okay, finish to start. Link activities. So it's linked. Please check this one to finish to start relationship only. You can link in this way, or you can link here. You can click uh, producer. Who is the producer? G01 selected here. This way also fine. And we can go to internal architecture, electrical. We can go for the electrical is finish to start and start to start. Okay, so we are going to now for the 501 501, sorry, anyway it is 501. Okay, this one we can move to, actually we made here, we updated here, we are actually plan to do here only, but anyway, link activities here also we need to link. Now electrical GH02, so that is selected. The relationship is finish to start. Producer the finish to start, but it actually, what is the relationship here? It's start to start plus 2 days, so we will change to start plus 2 days. Okay, okay, sorry, 2 days, 2 days. Now for now everything is connected. Now their pumping work, we can connect this one also, GH501. So the relationship is GH501. 01 is finished to start with GH0206. So here, okay, we connected here. And plumbing work. What about the plumbing work? Plumbing work is finished to start and start to start. Okay. Plumbing work is now here. Our relationship is plumbing GH202. GH20. Start to start 2 days. Okay. Now this one finished, this one finished. Now doors and windows. Here everything is finished to start. So doors and windows, link activities, and for GH, this one GH501. 501. So 501. Now here GH601, GH602, 501. What happened? 501. Oh, there is a one relationship is mistake, so I am going to remove the relationship here. And here we again I add 501. Okay, add here. Now if you go to 601 and 602. So one more relationship 602. So 601 and 60 sorry 601 and 602. 601 and 602. Finish to start worship. Now Capstone installation and external paving work. She is finished to start. Okay. Now GH701 105. Should start with 5 days. Okay. Now here 801, 802, 803 all are finished to start relationship. Now snag rectification. The activities there is 305, 404, 504. Okay. 304. Sorry, 5305. 305. 404. 504. 603. So I think our all the relationships are connected. Now, now, can check. Okay, anyway, now there is one activity capstone. Let's see the successor column, successor general, successor, successor. Okay, apply. So if you see here, their successor is missing. So capstone we can connect to capstone. We can connect to the slavist that I connected. If I, let's remove this relationship. Now, sorry. So we are removing the external external relationship. I should want to remove the relationship now. Yes. Delete. Okay, now let's run our program. 1st of July I scheduled. I am checking my view log. Then if you see that there is two activities, without predecessor is 1 and without successor is 2. So this is my activity which doesn't have the successor. So I am just going to connect my successor. Connected successor. Now check this one. You see we have only two activities without predecessor and successor, and our we have this is our critical path. So if you would like to practice using the same Excel sheet demonstrated in this video, please leave a comment below. I will happy to share it with you. You can also reach me through Instagram Primavera P6, my Telegram channel, or the WhatsApp group using the links provided in the description below.